Hi everyone. In this video, we will show you how to create user roles and demonstrate the types of restrictions that can be set within your user roles via the Orange HRM system. Utilizing this functionality will ensure the correct privileges are mapped to users and your data is protected according to defined user roles. Let us begin by looking at how we can set up user roles and the types of restrictions that can be set. From the dashboard, navigate to HR Admin and select Manage User Roles. By default, the system is configured with three types of user roles. These are the admin user, the supervisor, and the ESS user. It is possible to amend the supervisor and ESS user roles, which we will cover later. First, let's proceed to create an admin user role with restricted functions. Here, we are going to create a restricted user role for a specific employee, for example, the HR executive. This can be done for any other team or person in your organization should you wish to define limited access for them to specific areas of the system. There are a number of available workflow actions, but for this particular user role, we will allow them to add employees to the system by enabling the Add Employee option under Employee Actions, and we will restrict from giving privileges to terminate employment. Now, under the Workflow Management section, we will allow this particular user role to access other modules so they can perform workflow-related processes in the system. For example, if we enable leave, this particular user role will be able to approve leave requests and also assign leave requests to employees. In the Data Group Permissions section, it is very important to set the correct privileges for the employee, as these permissions determine the level of visibility this employee will have. For example, whether or not they can view sensitive data such as salary information or job-related information in the system. Data group permissions can be restricted in different ways by giving read-only, update, create, or delete permissions based on the user role that you have created. Similarly, you can step into each and every module and allow or restrict permissions for the user role as required, and then click Save. Our newly created HR Executive user role can now be seen under User Roles. Should you wish to further limit this user role from accessing specific types of employee details, such as salary information pertaining to the CEO or senior management, the Prevent Access To feature will allow you to accomplish this. Simply choose the user role you wish to edit and select the Prevent Access To icon. From this window, select the job title for which you wish to restrict showing the salary details for. Next, select the data groups being restricted and click Save. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any further questions, please contact us at info@orangehrm.com. For any support matters, drop an email to goalsupport@orangehrm.com or visit our website at www.orangehrm.com.